Hi, welcome to my channel Tech by Sensei Kushal. In this session, we'll see how to connect AI agent with Telegram using n8n. Before starting the session, I request you to subscribe to my channel Tech by Sensei Kushal. So before starting the video, I'll show you the quick demo, like how this agent will work. On the right side is the Telegram login for my bot Tech by Sensei Kushal. On the left side is the workflow for this, where this left hand side telegram trigger will listen to the message from the telegram. I have already attached the Google Sheet here, which will have a data for related to sales. This is the dummy data where we have these items: purchase date, sales date, profit, and all other details. Okay, so let's test this. I'll ask how much quantity of laptops are purchased in year 2024. Okay, you can see this agent is working. So we get in year 2024 a total of 10 laptops were purchased. So let's verify this data. So purchase date is 2024. So we have purchased 10 quantities. Okay. So this is how it works. So let's see how we have established this. So here in the Telegram trigger, we need to add the credential to connect with the Telegram. Okay. I already have this Telegram account. So I'll show you how to create the new credential. So connecting to Telegram account is pretty simple. You just need one thing, which is access token. Let's come to the Telegram. Here you have to search for bot father. Okay. That's channels. Okay. So here you will find this bot father under chat. Okay. This, open this. Okay. So this one is verified. Okay. So you have to see, once you log in here, you will see new bot, my bots, and all these links. So if you want to create a new bot, click on new bot. Then it will ask like how are you like going to call it. So we can ask this like demo 001 bot. Okay. So they have suggested like username should be something like Tetris bot or Tetris underscore bot. It should has bot at the end. Okay. So we'll just select this one only. Sorry, this user. Okay, so let's start. Demo. Okay. Bot. Okay. So let's try this name. Okay, so that is available. Okay. So what you need is this token. Okay. Take this token. Put it here and save it. So you'll see connection tested successfully. Now our Telegram trigger is ready and it's up listening to the message. Trigger on. We have multiple options. Okay, so we'll select a message. So on message, this Telegram trigger will be executed. Then we have placed this AI agent. We have given the brain to the AI agent. We have chosen an OpenAI chat model. You can choose it from here. Okay. Then we have added a buffer memory for like simple memory here. For this demo, we have used Google Sheet. So to use the Google Sheet, we have to go to console.google.com. Here you will need to create a project. I already have this project demo 001. If you don't, you will just need to create a new project. It is pretty simple. Okay. After creating a new project, you can come to API and services, then click on enable API. and you can choose which API you want. So for us, it is Google Sheet. Okay. So this you can enable. Okay. I have already enabled it. Then to set the credential, we'll come to the credential tab after enable API services credential for Telegram agent. If we open this, this is the URL which we need to configure. So if you come here and select this Google Sheet, new credential. So you can see this auth redirect URL. So you need to copy this. Okay. Come here in authorize redirect URL, paste it, save this one here. Once you save it, you will get this client ID. Okay. Put this client ID here. And this is the secret which you already have it when you generate this credential for the first time. Okay. I'll have my secret with me. On saving, you will have this Google Sheet account here. Now, like we want to access this sales data sheet, what I have done is I have put this sheet URL, okay, to give it a direct access. I also provided the sheet name. So currently there are no multiple sheets for this demo. I have only one sheet here. So I have given them like sheet to be used here. If you are not, if you have a multiple sheets or documents, you can either select this or you can select the expression to select from the documents you are present with the Google Sheets. For sheet as well, you can select these 3 stars where the model will decide which sheet to access to retrieve the data. Okay. So once this is done, everything is set up. Now your AI agent is ready to interact with the Google Sheet and you can interact it with this Tech by Sensei Kushal. Try this agent by yourself and let me know if you face any issue. You can reach out to me in the comment. Thank you.